Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Young Living essential oils order for the month of February, and also happy Valentine's Day. I have Seedlings Calm. This is a 5 milliliter bottle. This smells so good. I have been loving this in the diffusers for the girls, kind of in rotation with all of their other sleepy oils. But this oil has lavender in it, coriander, bergamot, ylang ylang, and geranium. So great blend for Seedlings Calm. So this is the 10 milliliter bottle of SleepyIze. It is a roller bottle. This is another one I like for the diffusers, but we also do roll this on the bottom of their feet sometimes before bed. So I'm probably going to put a dropper on this or put this in a dropper bottle, but it's a better value for you to get the 10 milliliter roller than it is to just get the 5 milliliter bottle of the oil with a dropper. You get a better value when you buy the bigger size. SleepyIze has lavender, geranium, and bergamot, just like the Calm blend, but it also has Roman chamomile, tangerine, sacred frankincense, valerian, and rue. And all of those are really awesome sleepy time oils, in my opinion. I just love the SleepyIze blend as well. If you can't tell, these are all repurchases for me, as well as this lavender oatmeal soap. And this is what it looks like. You can see the little flecks of oatmeal. I actually want to break these into like smaller pieces. The girls like to use this as well, and it's a big bar to just be like, that's a separate thing. This lavender oatmeal soap also has the same oils that are in the Calm blend, the same oils that are in this blend, which is lavender, coriander, bergamot, ylang ylang, and geranium, but it also has rosemary as well. And I didn't realize this until I looked again, but it also has the wolfberry in here, which is amazing for you, and it's also in Nature Red and all of that. So great combination of ingredients in this bar of soap, and of course it smells really great and it is moisturizing as well. That's everything for this month, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.